Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I am a cartoonist, and I'm the guy who has all those books on how to draw cartoons in the art stores, etc. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to say hi to my Facebook fans out there. I enjoy conversing with you, engaging with you every day. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw an evil cat, as if there were another type. So, first, we're going to draw just kind of the structure of the head. I mean, something very basic, just to get our bearings, and we will do that in a blue pencil. Just put the collar right here, and you can see what's going on. Here are the evil ears, kind of drooping evil ears. If you were a happy little wonderful kitty, his ears would perk up, but he's not, because he is the embodiment of all things wicked. So we'll give him some fur out here, make that kind of pointy. A low bridge of the nose. Going to just indicate the split lip. Where the eyes go. And I think we've got enough now to get started. So now that you have all this, you don't have to stick with what you drew. You can do something different, which is what I'm going to do. I'll improvise as I go along. I'm going to make a kind of triangle nose. And I'm going to have the eyes straight across. When you do that, try to make them go across for both of them. Try to be symmetrical. He is bored or unhappy, but never, as we said, perky. This is sort of his reaction to, do you want to come over here and be petted? His idea is, his answer is, go away. I actually had a wonderful cat named Spats, and he was really great. He would come on command. What I would do is I would whistle a really incredibly bad tune, a really screeching, awful tune, and he would come over. But if I didn't stop in time, he would bite me, because he was only coming over to stop my whistle. Kind of creaky whiskers. I'm going to give him a little frown. Here's the bottom of the chin. They have cats have a little cupped chin. Very important that the eyeballs are halfway submerged into the upper eyelid. We'll give a few lashes off the top. And one eyebrow up high, one a little lower. A little bit of shading over the eye and a little bit underneath the eye. Now let's give him some hair here. A little tuft of hair. No one's ever come up with a really good description, good word for that. Tuft. A tuft, a strand, a shock of hair. I don't know where the English literature majors are from college. Why don't they come up with a good cartooning word for us? We can also turn him into, see, here I go, I'm improvising, stop me, stop me. We can give him an evil smile. In that case, I'm going to widen out the eyes, the nose, to make it look like his nostrils are a touch flared. I'm going to curl this in a little bit. Wicked people curl. Regular characters smile. Here we go. Let's finish that collar. Maybe give him some sort of marking. And a little bit of shadow right here over the bridge of the nose. Let's have the tail coming up like this. Another crooked part of him, that's this dastardly feline. All right, do you recognize this? Anyone have a cat like this? There's your evil cat. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that. Maybe gave you some ideas for techniques or characters. Thanks for joining me. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. And I'm the author of many popular how to draw books on everything from cartooning to manga. I upload new videos each week, so please subscribe and enjoy.